What the Sigma? Wait, where'd he go? Bro, I met Zakier, like one of the developers. Where is he though?
Not be
Where'd he go?
here. I don't know.
Bro, I'm recording.
When you're not a Sigma.
But
Guess what? We can never compete the level.
So-
There's no more level. We're level 1. So yeah, we're cooked.
keep up, I'm too fast. I'm too fast. Where the Sigma are you, bro?
There's something over here.
What?
Hold on. Something's over here.
Where are you, bro?
Hold on.
Kill me! Yo! See, guy, bro. Bro, let me in. Hey, I know you're in, bro. No, bro, what the? Hey! Hey! Yo, you know where the exit is? I don't even know where the exit is. Where's the exit? Bye. Oh my gosh.
What the Sigma?
You scared me.
My cheeks go
Bro, look,
gosh,
it's
that
Zio.
kid scared me so
10
bad.
p.m. at night.
Her name?
And this happened. It's the owner. Yo, what's up, man?
Hey, what says on top of my head real quick?
Zio.
0?
No, Z-E-O.
Yeah,
Not
Zia.
my name.
Hold on, guys. Let me get a fruit snack.
You did a job.
Bro, let me get some food snacks. Bro, let me in.
Is there any like Cheez-Its in there?
Hello.
What's in there?
Hey,
Is there? Oh, matter of fact, I got Cheez-Its right here.
Jocks, you. What does my name say?
One name.
It says Zio. Z-E-O.
Okay. good.
Not my. What? Did you just say my name?
No.
You said Leo. What's that's my
My name's
name?
Juan. Guys, my name's Juan.
Dude, I said
There's any
Z-O.
horrors? There's any horrors?
Hold on, someone said my name. They said my name is Leo.
Guys, there's a moderator in here.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it's a developer. It's this guy. It's this guy.
There's any horrors? Blee, blee.
Blah blah.
Where is he? Where is he?
I'll open my door.
He can fly.
I saw him. I saw
Bro,
the owner. Look, he's over here.
It's not too crazy, bro. He's getting a fruit
The
snack.
owner's still here.
What the?
I'm running.
Oh, bro. Hey. How is bro going through the door?
Owner, bro.
Long arms. Close your freaking door.
They
Bro,
sound
let me
kinda
get a
like the
fruit
dude with
snack.
tag
I'm
sounds.
hungry. Hey,
Guys, where's the owner?
you're him, bro. You're him,
Bro, what's on top of my head then? Huh?
bro.
Where's the
You
monster?
literally just came out of the room. You literally
monster?
just came out of the room.
Where's the monsters?
No, I didn't.
You just came out of the staff. See you.
It's the owner. It's just an owner. There's like 2 people that made this game. The chance of him being here.
See, bro,
I have
just
a
went
question,
in.
Yo,
Guys,
I have a question.
Back up from the freaking staff room.
Okay, yo, I have a question. Could you come
Ah,
over?
do you like Fortnite?
Bro,
How the frick did you do this? In my game, like, I have no idea how to do this. Like, I have to use the normal, like those
Come here,
tutorials
come
from
here.
Be Awesome.
Guys,
Guys, if you want moderator, raise your hand. Like, I made a game, but like,
guess.
I do not know how to make the color.
I guess.
Me. If you want staff, whoever beats me, in a run
Oh, he's gonna fly.
to that wall, get staff. 3, 2, 1, go.
We got him.
Oh, no one beat me. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that.
I made
3, 2, 1, go.
Bro, now let's just come.
Oh my gosh.
I made it.
No, it's you did not make it. It's just your lag.
John Pork is calling.
What are you doing?
Either way, even if you beat him, you're still not getting staff.
Oh, you're taking me.
Hey, take us to the exit, bro.
Oh my god. Go.
Keep up, I'm too fast. Hey, bro, take us to the exit, bro. Bro, sounds like someone's clapping.
Holy crap. I'm alive, bro.
Where is bro?
Hell no.
Where's the owner? Where's the owner?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, bro. Owner, why are you not giving the monitor to me?
Bro, he lied. You guys really thought he was gonna give you?
Right away, bro.
He's not giving you it, bro.
Like,
Sounds like someone's clapping.
That shit was fun.
Keep up, I'm too fast. Push my. Keep up, I'm too fast.
Why you guys keep seeing stuff? I don't see it.
Yeah, we're having.
Where is it? Where's the monster?
Yeah, you're blind.
I'm him. I am the iron one. Hey guys, come to the staff room entrance. Come to the staff room entrance real quick.
Bro, even a baby can juke that monster.
Staff room entrance real quick.
Nothing.
If you want moderator, go to the staff room entrance.
I'm running.
Go to the staff room entrance. I made a show you something.
Hi,
I can't get in.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
They were like the same color. Okay, where's the monster?
Let me in.
Where's the monster? Right there. I don't see it. He died. Where you died?
Where's the owner? I
He
saw
went-
the owner.
I know everyone saw the owner. He's in here.
Yeah, and then he
Owner.
came out for like 5 minutes and he didn't see him.
Where's
What is
the
over
owner?
here? Bro,
I broke the monster's ankles like 10 times.
yeah, even a baby can. Well, guys, the end. I played this game and met the owner. He's in the staff room. The owner's in the staff room. He's in there, bro.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Well, it ain't that serious,
Did
bro.
you make this map on Pro Builder or Blender?
Both
Bro.
Well, it ain't that crazy,
No,
bro.
because Blender's like a modeling, a model set, software. That's what I use to make. Do you use Blender? Because I just Blender, Unity, and yeah. I only use Pro Builder. Can I be at the Velvet?
Hey, bro, can you take me to the exit, bro?
Can I be at the Velvet?
Right now they look like
Can you take me to the exit, bro? Oh my god. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. What even is here? Oh my. Okay,
Back up from the staff room. The
Spooky, scary.
Let me in.
Riddlers on your gas.
Can I be
If
at the
you
bell?
better zombie, then so could